Welcome to Rate JA, where we count down everything that embodies Jamaica.
Today, we be counting down 10 interesting facts about musical pioneer Daddy U-Roy. Jamaican vocalist Ewart Beckford, OD, more popularly known as U-Roy, sadly passed away on February 17, 2021. His legacy, style, and transformation of Jamaican music that paved the way for many genres will forever be appreciated and never be forgotten. So sit back, relax, and wait the town and tell the people. Top 10 picks coming your way. Number 10. Daddy U-Roy is credited as the originator of toasting, even though he wasn't the first DJ, but his style and personality brought DJing to the world with a flair. His unique sense of style and his highly developed sense of timing made him a cut above the rest and a pioneer in his own right. He was the first man to go on record with his toasting, and his style inspired genres such as dancehall, hip hop, and rap. Number 9. U-Roy was featured on the album True Love by Toots and the Maytals, which won the Grammy Award in 2004 for Best Reggae Album and showcased many notable musicians including Paul Douglas, Jackie Jackson, Ken Booth, and the Scatterlights. Number 8. The very first sound system U-Roy picked up on mic for was Dr. Dickey's Dynamic, which was when he was going to school at age 14. Dickey's was a Chinese guy with a sound system, and U-Roy would play American music from acts such as Louis Jordan and Ruth Brown. Number 7. Having dominated the Jamaican DJ scene, U-Roy would come to international attention and be signed to the Virgin label. Paired with producer Prince Tony Robinson, U-Roy recorded his debut album Dread in a Babylon, backed by the Skin, Flesh and Bones band. Number 6. Daddy U-Roy launched his own sound system called Sturgav in 1978. Unfortunately, Sturgav fell victim to the violence that swept Jamaica in the coming of the 1980 election, and the sound system was destroyed. However, U-Roy relaunched it the following year and brought in new DJs including up-and-coming stars like Josie Wales and Charlie Chaplin. Number 5. For someone as skilled and unique with words as Daddy U-Roy, it may surprise you that he did not get to go to high school. He completed 2 levels of education, one at the St. Albans School, which was below Rima, and the next at Denham Town Primary. Number 4. Daddy U-Roy worked at a construction site while playing for King Tubby's at nights. Doing music at King Tubby's wasn't making enough money to provide for his family, so in the days he did site work such as, in his own words, bringing the steel to the steelman, bringing the 2x4 to give the carpenter, and bringing the mortar for the mason. Number 3. U-Roy's most memorable moment on stage was when he went to perform in France, and an African man bowed down before him and took his handkerchief and cleaned off U-Roy's shoes. This African man did this for 2 minutes. Not only was this his most memorable moment, but one where he felt very embarrassed, as he didn't like that. Number 2. U-Roy got his name from his cousin. Having the name Ewart, E-W-A-R-T, his family would call him U for short. But the name U-Roy came about when he hit his cousin very hard with a stick, and it was so hot that his cousin said to him, "U-Roy, don't do that again, man, it hurt." And the name sticked from then until now. I guess greatness is sometimes born out of pain. The daddy would later be attached to U-Roy by people around, paying homage to how great of a pioneer he is. Number 1. When Daddy U-Roy was asked in an interview what message he would want to leave with young people if his spirit was to pass on, he said, "Just be yourself, just be you, don't try to be somebody else. Don't let somebody tell you you can't get from point A to point B. Whatever you choose in life, you set yourself and you get there." Rest in peace and power, the great Daddy U-Roy. This concludes our list. What was your favorite song, fact, or moment from Daddy Uroy? Let us know in the comment section below. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe.